Okay, so when I'm up here, how are we going to find the slant height of this cone? Pythagorean theorem. So we're looking for this side of this right triangle. Okay, good. So when you're looking for the hypotenuse, you just add 17 squared plus 6 squared, square rooted, and what does that give you?
18.03 feet.
All right, on this one, 35 squared plus 19 squared, which is
9.82.
Yep. Okay, and then on this one,
It's 10.
yep, it's just that 10. All right, so today we're basically going to be practicing the same thing that we did yesterday. All right, so how do we find total surface area of a pyramid?
I don't know.
Well, what would you measure?
The total surface area of a pyramid.
P times L divided by 2 plus B.
Okay, P times L divided by 2 plus B for the total. What's the lateral?
P times L divided
Okay, what's the difference between total surface area and lateral surface area?
The base.
Okay, lateral is without the bases. Okay, this is everything. Okay, the capital P stands for what?
Perimeter of the base.
Okay, perimeter of the base. So you'd be looking for the perimeter of that. And this should be looking for the perimeter of that. And this should be looking for the perimeter of that. What does the capital B stand for?
area of the base.
Stands for area of the base. Looking for the area of that. You'd be looking for the area of this. Looking for the area of this. Okay, the L stands for what? The slant height. So what's the slant height on this first one? Is 11. Which one is the slant height on the second one?
10.7.
Okay, this is 10.77. The 10 is the height, which we'll need to know the difference between those two for sure tomorrow when we're dealing with volume, but the 10.77 is the slant height, the 10 is just the height. So this is the slant height, obviously, and this is the slant height. Okay, how do we find total surface area of a cone?
Pi RL plus R3. I think. Yeah.
Yep. And then for lateral?
Pi RL.
It's pi RL. All right. So let's write these formulas again. Lateral surface area of a pyramid is P times L divided by 2. Total surface area is PL divided by 2 plus B. Lateral of a cone is pi RL. Total is pi RL plus pi R squared. All right. What's going to go right here?
1
Y20.
because that's the perimeter of the base.
Perimeter of the base, and the perimeter of the base will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. What's the slant height?
9.
Okay, it just gives us 9. What's the area of the base? 25.
Square.
Yep. All right, for lateral surface area, P times L divided by 2. And then P times L divided by 2 plus B.
Yeah.
Yep.
I thought so.
Okay, what's the perimeter base on this one? 66. What's the height? 20. How are we going to find the area of the base on this one?
Apothem times perimeter divided by 2.
Okay, the apothem times the perimeter divided by 2. Okay, for lateral, P times L divided by 2. No, you're fine. All right, and then
That's 945, 70.
okay, let me ask you this real quick. This number right here, how can you get directly from this number to this number right here?
Add base.
Add the base, add what?
Lateral.
What number I'm asking?
660.
Okay, no, we have 660, but what would I add directly to 660 to get to 945?
285.7.
Okay, good. That's right here, because that's the area of the base. That's the difference between the lateral area and surface area on a pyramid is just the difference of one base. Okay, what's the radius? 7. What's the slant height?
13.89.
Okay, good. That 12 is the height. We need the slant height. So we have 12 squared plus 7 squared.
Ew, that was
What does it give you? Okay, so the slant height's 13.89. So we're going to do pi r L. What does that give you? So what's the total surface area? Yep. Okay, I threw this in here. I just want you to see this. Okay, the height of the pyramid is the perpendicular distance between the vertex and the bases, and the base, I mean. The slant height of a pyramid represented by the letter L is the height of any of its lateral faces. Like I said, we're gonna have to remember to know the difference between those two for sure tomorrow. All right.